In this video, I will show you how to use a PlayStation controller to play GTA 5 on PC. In this video, we will cover methods for both Steam and Epic Games or Social Club users. First off, you will need to make sure that you have fully closed GTA. For both cases, you will need to have Steam installed. If you don't have it, go over to your browser and search for Steam. Then download it and just run the installer. It's very simple. Then you will need to log in or create an account, and after that you can get started. Now after you have gotten inside of Steam, make sure to enable controller support for PlayStation. To do that, navigate to the top left, press the Steam button, then select Settings, and then go over to Controller right here, open that up, and then make sure that you enable Steam input for PlayStation controllers. Have this checked. Now before we proceed, we need to connect our PlayStation controller to our PC. To do that, you can connect it via Bluetooth. Go over to the bottom left of your screen, press the search button, in here write Bluetooth, and open up the application at the top. For this, you will need to put your PlayStation controller into pairing mode. To do that, press and hold the PlayStation button and the share button at the same time. Then, when you get inside of this application, press the plus sign and press everything else. Then you should have connected your PlayStation controller. It will appear at the top and select it. But to do this, you need to make sure that your motherboard supports Bluetooth connection or you have a Bluetooth dongle. Now let's go over to wired method. For the wired method, you will need to take your controller charger, take the USB part and plug it into your PC. After you have done that, take the other part of your cable and plug it into your controller. If it starts lighting up, that means that it's connected. Now after you have connected your controller, you can go over to the different cases of launching GTA. For the first case, if you're using Steam, you can just go over to your Steam library and launch the game from there. But if you're using Epic Games or Social Club, you will need to navigate to the bottom left and do an extra step. Press Add a Game, then press Add a non-Steam game. When this pops up, you will need to scroll down and locate the Rockstar Games launcher right here and press the checkbox next to it. If it doesn't appear, just press the Browse button. Then go into the GTA 5 installation folder, then Launcher. Then when you get in this folder, select the Launcher Patcher application and press Open. Then press Add Selected Programs. If you can't find the installation folder of the Rockstar Launcher, go over to the bottom left, press the search button, search for Rockstar Launcher, right-click and press Open File Location. Then when the folder opens up, select and right-click the icon and press Properties. Under Target, you will find where the launcher is located for you. Now you can go over to Rockstar Games Launcher, press the play button. Keep in mind that you must launch the Rockstar Games Launcher from Steam for this to work. Now after your Rockstar Launcher opens up, you just press play on Epic or just play if you're using Social Club. If you want to adjust some of your controller settings, you can press the start or escape button. Then go over to settings and select gamepad at the top. Right there, you can play around with the settings. Here we are inside of GTA 5. As you can see, I can fully move around using my controller. If you get an issue while trying to run a Rockstar Launcher from Steam, just fully close the Rockstar Launcher and run it once again from the Steam application. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.